Namaskara, Namaste, welcome, Vanakkam to the YouTube channel Mysore Studio. You are seeing this huge box parcel here. This box consists of Diwali crackers. Diwali crackers worth 7,000 rupees. I have ordered it from Sivagasi, from Goodwill Fireworks in Sivagasi. You see the bill here. Goodwill crackers, Vada Malappuram, Sivagasi. See my name Harris, care of Mysore Studio, our channel name Mysore Studio, invoice address Mysore Studio, Udayagiri. See the list of items, there are total of 35 items here. See the billing amount, 7,342.32 Indian rupees. This amount is after discount, 50% discount. You can see the packaging. The packaging is well done. It is a very good quality packaging. We used nylon twine or nylon rope to stitch. You see the order number here, 23592. Mr. Harish. Actually, I'm Harris. Okay, Harish, fine. Mysore. From Goodwill Crackers, Sivagasi. Friends, this is a transportation challan. Goodwill Crackers, Sivagasi can give transportation to any place in India. I took the order on Saturday afternoon and by Monday morning I got my parcel. So I have removed the outer plastic gunny bag. Now the cotton box is in front of us. See this plastic twine used in the gunny bag to stitch up the gunny bag. It is of very good quality. Friends, so the cotton box is open. 35 different items are in this box. Before I take out and show you all the items, I will tell you how to order crackers from Goodwill Fireworks Sivagasi. You can visit their website. It is in the bill. Goodwill Fireworks, www.goodwillfireworks.com. You can go to their website, select your items and book your order. Or else what I did was I contacted the sales manager, Mr. Shaktivel. I will give you his contact number. You can contact Mr. Shaktivel and give your WhatsApp number. He will send you the order price list catalog to your WhatsApp number. Each item has a code. You can select all your item and just write down the code numbers and WhatsApp to Mr. Shaktivel. Then he will give you a price estimate to your number and you have to pay the final amount including transportation charges to their bank account. It is a current account on the company's name. Once the amount is deposited, maximum within 2 or 3 days you will receive your parcel. 2 face mask and this coloring book are compliments from Goodwill Crackers. So friends, we will take all the firecrackers. I'll show you one by one and I'll place it here down. I think this place will be sufficient. It's a bit small bedroom only. This is a rented house. I am neither rich nor poor, typical middle class. Sparklers. This is one variety, crackling sparklers. 1, 2 gold sparklers, 3 blue sparklers. The sparklers, crackling sparklers, gold sparklers. This is in packet. Blue sparklers. This is something a new variety. We have to test it out. This wheel. Zaman chakras Ashoka. Red and green chakras. Twin spin. Standard fireworks. All the items, firecrackers, I have bought from this Standard Fireworks company because they mean quality. What function is shown in the box The same thing when you light the firecracker, the same function will be replicated. Now we have this big box Robin 5-star color matches. This is our favorite when we were kids. I'll just turn the box. I'll open it. These are the sparkling glittering matches. We have 5 varieties: glittering green, Jill Jill, gold star, electric red. This is how it is: glittering green, Jill Jill, Jill Jill matchsticks. This is gold star, electric, this is the electric one. Its tip is blue colored. Okay, its tip is red colored. Next is standard multicolor candles. This label's design and color scheme are always imitated but never equaled. Silver Twinkling Deluxe. The functions which are shown in the box will be replicated in actual action. Tick torch function is shown in the box itself. The picture, the photo which you get on the box, the same function will be replicated when you fire the items. Friends, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel Mysore Studio. Now we are seeing this big box. Color World 10 pieces, standard fireworks. See the image on the box. This is the function of this particular item. Fireworks 2 class. This is a function. Next, sunflower. The function name is sunflower, and what it will exhibit will also be like sunflower. Moon series. Whistling rocket. Okay, this is a rocket item. Okay, I think this is this magic spray. This is a very special item, drone. Don't miss my testing of crackers video. I'm going to test all these items in that particular video. Magic spray. The function is given in this particular photo on the cover. Next is Robin 10 in 1 Super Deluxe yellow. The function is mentioned in the photo on the box. What image you are seeing, that is the function. Super Deluxe pink, Super Deluxe cracking, glittering green, star, Jill Jill. Kindly watch the photo on the box. That is the function. What actually it when you light it, what when you light the sticks, how it will fire. This is a function. The image on the box is the actual function of the product. Red, green, silver. Robin Super Deluxe 10 in 1 matches. Totally all the 10 varieties of functions matches is over here. The next we are seeing is Rohini rockets. That is the function. PSLV, standard fireworks. flower pots, standard fireworks, railway signal lights, silver twinkling, standard fireworks, happiness, standard happiness, superstar, superstar red and green, Rohini rockets, standard fireworks, open, see its height, friends. Now the main item, shots, sky wash, 12 shots sky wash. All standard fireworks items are coming at a 50% discount. Sky wash. See the function on the cover design. This is the function. Next is the standard 7 shots. Bun fight. Wedding series. Very good. Happy birthday. Standard fireworks company. Avengers special. See the design on the cover, that is the actual function. This is the main thing. No child labor involved. Sound level restricted to permissible limit. Money spinners. Color smoke fountain. Color changing butterfly. I turn around the box. See how it is. We will be doing testing of crackers in the next video. All these items we are going to light it and see the function practically. We will show it to you. So friends, the final two big items, gift boxes of this unboxing video from YouTube channel Mysore Studios. 75th year standard fireworks celebration gift box, prestige identity, Shri Pothis Wonder World, Shri Pothis Wonder World festival pack gift box. So friends, I have bought all these firecrackers from Goodwill Crackers Shivagasi. You can order by going to the website, or you can just call Mr. Shaktivel. Place your order through your mobile. Call him, give your WhatsApp number. He will send you the list, price list along with the order. He will send you the price list catalog along with the item codes. You have to just select all the items, write down the codes in a piece of paper, take a photo and send it back to him. He will send you an invoice, estimation of the cost of your products. And once you deposit the billing amount into their current account in the name of the company, immediately your parcel will be dispatched to your address all over India. Buying your crackers is very easy. You can buy your crackers from your mobile. Delivery all over India, transportation all over India. Please kindly contact or message Mr. Shaktivel of Goodwill Crackers.